Samsung has launched two new 5G phones globally called Galaxy A53 and Galaxy A53. Both of these devices looks quite identical on the rear side, but are different in terms of specifications, and among these two, the Galaxy A53 is the higher variant. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy A53 5G features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Exynos 1280 chipset, paired with 6 or 8GB of RAM with virtual RAM expansion support, and it has 128 or 256GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Galaxy A53 5G supports a quad camera setup on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera with a 1.8 aperture, plus 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 123° field of view, plus 5MP macro and 5MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device packs with a massive 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 12 based on One UI 4.1 skin on top. For safety, the company has added Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the top, and it is IP67 certified for dust and water resistance. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.6 by 74.8 by 8.1mm, and it weighs around 189 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Galaxy A53 5G has been priced in the US for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at $450, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced in Germany at €510. The smartphone is set to go on sale starting from April 1st in awesome blue, awesome black, awesome white, and awesome peach color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy A53 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolve YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.